Good afternoon, Rick on here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker PowerWave 7.5 stand with Quick Charge 3.0 charger. So this is a Quick Charge 3.0 7.5 watt stand-up wireless charger for your iPhone 10, your iPhone 8, Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, so on and so forth. Any phone that supports wireless Qi charging will work with this. Used Anker products in the past, they're pretty good. I've used their cables and charging hubs and stuff like that. Like I said, this does use Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0. Peel that off right there. I always like products that are easy to open. Oops, it was upside down. So we have your user guide right here in multiple languages. It tells you what the different lights mean. Solid blue for 3 seconds, then off means connected to power. Solid blue is charging. Flashing blue is metal or abnormal temperature detected, or you're using a non-Quick Charge 3.0 wall charger. So you do need to use a Quick Charge 3.0 wall charger. And then, like I said, it's a 7.5 watt stand. You have your happy, not happy little card here where you can review the product and share your thoughts. Here we have the stand itself. And some plastic. Doesn't have too much weight to it, but it is angled so that your phone, you know, once it's sitting on there, it's not gonna go anywhere. It does have a padded rubber bottom. It does use a micro USB connection on the back right there. There is a vent on the bottom and the top here. I assume that this is going to be fan cooled. Most quick charge wireless chargers do have fans in them. Next in the box we have another box. And this one is going to include your cable. So you have your USB cable and you have your Anker Quick Charge 3.0 power brick right here. So Quick Charge power brick, it does fold up. I'm assuming if you want to, you can use this on the go as well, and use this as a quick charger just with your USB cable. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in real quick and we'll test it out and see how it works. Okay, so here we are all plugged in. I have my Samsung Note 8 right here, no case on it. I'm going to plop that down. And we do have a flashing blue light here. There we go. I don't think I put it on there all the way. So you can see fast wireless charging, 95%, about 11 minutes until fully charged. So that is good. There does appear to be a fan in there, but I can't hear it. You can just feel a little bit of air being pushed through. That vent on the back, it looks like, is where it pulls it in or pushes it out, and then the bottom, you can feel some air movement. So we are fast wireless charging, as you can see down here. So about 10 minutes for the last 5% there. I don't know if the phone slows down charging for the last 5 or so percent or 10% or whatever. So I don't know how relative that 5% to that 10 to 11 minutes is. But that's how long it would take to charge that 5% with fast wireless charging. So it does fast wireless charge. Phone does recognize it as a fast charger. So that is the Anker PowerWave 7.5 stand. I will link you guys down in the description where you can pick this up on Amazon. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.